大家好，歡迎嚟到 Sing and You 音樂學院嘅常見問題解答環節。你可能會問，你哋係點樣將現代潮流融入音樂培訓嘅？
So you like this class? Sure. Good.
That you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet, and I was crying on a staircase. 14.
Yes. This is what I'm.
我哋嘅課程涵蓋當代音樂風格同埋流行歌曲，等學生緊跟音樂行業嘅最新潮流。我哋仲提供音樂行業嘅深度見解，幫助學生更廣泛咁了解音樂行業。呢種教學方式確保學生掌握同當今音樂界相關嘅技能，使佢哋能夠自信咁演繹各種音樂類型，同時獲得專業音樂領域嘅知識。課程設計充滿活力且引人入勝，將專業嘅聲樂訓練與實際音樂應用相結合。
Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn to sing better or sing like Celine, go to singandyou, singandyou.com and check it out. Bye bye. 叶家长也跟我说，就是在外面学了5年，好像是在我的课堂里面学3个月的时间。